Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a delicious no-bake Suji cake. No oven, no baking. Just pure flavor with the magic of semolina and milk. Perfect for those quick sweet cravings at home. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add 1 cup Suji or semolina and roast it gently on low heat. Keep stirring continuously for about 5 minutes until it smells nice and nutty. Don't rush the roasting. This step builds all the flavor. Once roasted, keep the Suji aside. Now transfer the roasted Suji into a bowl. Add 2 cups of milk and let it soak for 10 minutes. Soaking Suji makes it soft and helps give that cake-like texture without any baking at all. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 3/4 cup of sugar. Let it cook gently until the sugar caramelizes into a lovely golden syrup. Be patient here, stir occasionally and enjoy the aroma. Once caramelized, immediately add the soaked Suji mixture into the pan. Mix everything well and keep stirring continuously. Cook until the mixture starts separating from the sides of the pan. That's your cue, it's ready. Take a 6-inch mold, grease it with a little oil and line it with baking paper. Sprinkle some chopped nuts at the bottom. Almond, cashews or pistachios work great. Now pour in the Suji mixture and level it nicely. Keep it aside for 1 hour to set. After 1 hour, gently remove it from the mold. And there you have it, soft, moist and rich, no-bake Suji cake, ready to serve. This cake is not only tasty but also a healthier alternative to flour-based sweets, full of semolina, milk and a touch of ghee, a treat that's both indulgent and simple. Try it today and let us know in the comments how it turned out. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. And of course subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy and unique dessert recipes. See you in the next video. Stay sweet and happy cooking.